Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix Sony WF-C510 button not working. Charge the earbuds. Place both the earbuds in the charging case and connect the case to the power source using the provided USB Type-C cable. Ensure that the indicator lights on the charging case turn up in orange, indicating the charging is taking place. Reset the earbuds. To reset your earbuds, press and hold the power button given on the backside of the charging case for about 15 seconds until the orange light starts flashing, and then turn to solid green indicating complete reset. If resetting doesn't resolve your issue, connect to the Sony support for further assistance. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.